Hello everyone, welcome to this data science banquet. We will now launch a long journey for the comprehensive course, Complete Python for Data Science and Cloud Computing. If you are a newcomer for the data science, jumping into a new field or career path can be a daunting task. Even for anyone with some basic knowledge and skills in data analytics, or anyone interested in taking a more proactive approach to start their data science career, it is still tough to know where to start. You might have realized that investing your time and money here is better in the long run than slowly accruing knowledge by yourself. But how do you determine what course to choose? You can get an answer from my following introduction. If you are going to learn the real data science and to know if this is the right course you need, then you should be first aware of the following features of this course. First, we teach you programming, which is a must, but not the most important thing. Second, we will definitely enlighten you how to understand data, as well as manipulate data under all circumstances. Third, we will deliver real-world business that is more important than piece of programming codes instructed in many other data science courses. Fourth, the course will provide you hundreds to thousands exercises, projects, and homework along with detailed solutions. You can hardly find any other similar course with so many hands-on opportunities to solve so many practical problems. The course is instructed by the real data scientists with at least more than 20 years experience and more than 5 job positions with different industry fields such as banking, marketing, e-commerce, risk management, pricing, fraud, and clinical trials. Our PhD instructors have both strong statistical, machine learning background and practical business knowledge. And more important, the lecturers who teach you are all along working under the real industry environment. They are using data science to solve various real-world problems on daily routine basis. For example, they are working on the AWS and Azure cloud platform to perform real cloud computing, using Spark machine learning and Redshift to conduct sentimental analysis and credit risk analysis. What are you going to take away from this course? This course is a comprehensive and complete guide to the data science study. We use Python as a programming tool to break into all barriers for all types of students. If you are seeking to start from very entry level to become an expert in data science, then this course could provide the exact sort of training you're looking for. The course aims to take students through everything they need to know to get comfortable with the following coverages. You learn the Python programming for data analytics, including Python fundamentals, NumPy array, pandas data frames, and SciPy functions. This part will provide you the systematic training on how data are stored and manipulated in different data objects. We will explain various types of scalar, collection, and time variables, understanding their operations and properties by many practical examples. We also teach how to apply various Python embedded functions and to create user-defined functions associated with control flow structures to make your program more easily used and efficient. In addition, some important and advanced contents such as object-oriented programming, exception handling, time objects, and generators and iterators that are not touched in many other courses are closely explained and demonstrated with many specific examples in this course. In NumPy, SciPy, and Pandas study, we will teach students on how different types of data are read: explore, clean, transform, slice, merge, split, and summarize. Students will finally master different strategies to look inside into and manipulate data, such as missing value treatments, data standardization, feature extraction, and engineering, data sampling, and categorical variables transformation. In addition, we have provided students with the lecture-based solutions and downloadable materials for after-lecture review and self-evaluation. You will learn how big data are collected and analyzed based on many real-world examples. From there, the scope of the course will narrow a bit, taking you through the process of collecting and interacting with various data sources using Python, such as using Python scraping web data, communicating with flat files, Parquet files, SAS data, SQLite, MongoDB, and Redshift on AWS. After that, students will learn about different data sources and know how to apply Python as tool to access and analyze various data sources. You will learn about statistics and its applications into various types of business use cases. It is important to learn statistics because so many of the decisions that we make in every day are based on the statistics. Want to learn and apply machine learning? One key thing you need to understand is statistics. This course may lead you to realize that statistics permeates most of decisions making we do every day. It will enable you to intuitively understand the principle of statistics and apply them into various projects such market campaign analysis and measurement based on the statistical tests and models. Thought you couldn't learn statistics? You can, and you will. You can even learn more, such as how to apply statistics into data analytics. This course provides you the up-to-date and instantly usable statistic knowledge and skills for everyone, including big data analytics and the newest applications. The instructor will teach you the most useful statistical techniques you'll need for banking, risk, marketing, pricing, social media, and more. One easy step at a time. Simple jargon, free explanation, and real-world projects will help you understand all practical techniques, and extensive practical questions in homework give you all the hands-on practice you'll need. In addition, you'll find downloadable practice files, templates, datasets, and sample models, including complete solutions you can put right to work. Learn how to do all this and more. First, apply statistical techniques to analyze datasets and transfer them into the valuable knowledge. Construct and interpret statistical charts and tables in Python. Second, work with mean, median, mode, range, t-statistics, z-score, and others descriptive statistics. Third, use probability and probability distributions, work with sampling distributions, and confidence interval test hypothesis with Z, T, chi-square, pair tests, ANOVA, and apply them into many practical problems. If you need to understand, evaluate, or use statistics in business, academia, or anywhere else, this is the course you've been searching for. This is not a pure machine learning course. However, we involve machine learning algorithms in each use case. We bring the computer science and statistics to improve predictive power. To start data science career, it's a must-have skill for all aspiring data analysts and data scientists, or people else who wish to set up their startup business by harnessing raw data into refined trends and forecasting. This is a course that will teach you the end-to-end process of investigating data through a machine learning process. It will let you know how to extract and identify useful features that best represent your data. A few of the most important machine learning algorithms and how to conduct performance tracking of the outcomes based on your machine learning algorithms. You will learn both theories and application by implementing real-world projects. For example, we apply machine learning algorithms to predict credit scores and sentimental scores using Python Spark under AWS. We also show you how to transform the data into the specific format that machine learning algorithm can apply to. We also show how to compare the performances of different machine learning methods based on the validation results. For instance, we apply both random forest boosting method to solve the same problem and get to know what methods should be used under the different scenarios. In the capstone project studies, we also work on the unstructured data and extract important features to understand and classify documents and predict key factors. For example, we use the description of products and services to predict retail prices. For machine learning, here are your takeaways in this course. First, perform powerful regression analysis and modeling using multiple regression to develop models that contain several independent variables. Second, applying decision tree, random forest, various boosting methods, k-means to solve practical prediction problems. Third, all the Python codes are closely demonstrated and explained by the instructor and are downloadable for your review and study. Fourth, you are given the real-world case to finish under the guidance of the course step by step. This course is designed to move learners beyond making decisions, focusing solely on checking summarized data. The students will develop a working familiarity to understand data by graph. A plot is worth many data observations, especially when you are trying to find relationships among the big data. For example, if you are exploring the data containing thousands or more features, in this course, students will learn to derive the greatest benefit possible from the data, graph, and statistical test together. Using the graph tools we teach, you can produce various kinds of plots to create meaningful visuals of the data that help you explore and explain the concluded results based on data analytics. For instance, you can use crosslines plots to observe and quantify the interaction between variables. You can apply bar chart with Huey option in Seaborn to confirm the result in statistical tests. The course will teach you how to apply all famous graphics tools such as Matplotlib, Plotly Online and Offline, Seaborn, and ggplot into many practical cases. One of the different features with other courses is that we have designed the analytics projects filled with data visualization and explanations. We also discuss some of basic issues concerning data visualization and provides suggestions for addressing those issues. After you have learned this course, you can confidently apply all the popular graphics tools in Python to conduct different types of data visualizations, where you will interact with the data to achieve the best outcome. The course is seeking to set up a career path for the students. This means after you have taken this course, you are able to handle the jobs to take real data and use it to help companies make better business decisions. This could mean figuring out how to price the new products, understand churn and lifetime value, predict who will respond to the campaign, determine risky customers, and estimate credit risk loss. Perform A/B testing to improve the access volume of digital products and websites. For doing so, the practical usage of the knowledge skills are always stressed in this course. As one of the most highlighted features, the course counts many real-world projects to review and improve what students have learned in the lectures. In addition, in each project session, we always start from reading and collecting data, explaining the business concepts and background by exploring the data, interpret 8 methodologies by processing the data. Our projects includes pricing retail products by checking elasticity, online sales forecasting based on time course data, recommender system by transaction segmentation, develop consumer credit score system, fraud detection and performance tracking, natural language processing for sentimental analysis, measuring effect of campaign activities, second-hand cars prediction for car dealers. Want to perform big data analysis with Python? Want to work on cloud systems such as AWS and Microsoft Azure? Want to access data warehouse on cloud to implement machine learning algorithms under Spark? Eventually, want to become a true data scientist? Then this course is right for you. Spark has become probably the trendiest big data technology for now in the world. Then you must know it, use it, especially on cloud. It is hard to convince any employer that you are a data scientist without even knowing Spark on cloud for data analysis and computation. In other words, Python Spark is a must that enables you become a true data scientist. In this course, we teach you how to register cloud account and set up EMR and HD Insight cluster nodes on cloud system such as AWS and Azure platforms. You will know how to set up storage system such as S3 in AWS and the blobs file system under the Microsoft Azure. After that, under the step-by-step guidance of instructors, you will learn how to run Python Spark RDD and data frame programs on cloud, and how to implement machine learning process to conduct NLP methods for sentimental analysis and perform credit risk analysis. We also introduced Redshift, the famous cloud relational database on AWS, including application for Python, Redshift, S3, and its SQLs into sales analysis. Want to be successful? Then join this course. You'll learn by doing and meet various challenges to become a real data scientist.